after short vowel sounds, we often found TCH sound. We have our short vowels are a, e, a. After short vowels, TCH is often found. So this going to be TCH, each, pitch, because CH is used right after E, short vowel sounds. But we can have some words in which short vowels are used, but CH is not used right after short vowels. For example, here in this word, this is our short vowel. Hun. Hunch. In this word, T is not used because CH is not used right after short vowel. That's why it's super simple or super easy. Hunch.